We want to be really gentle. Then we will gently blow on the small flame to encourage it to grow.
So we're making a fire to keep us warm and cook some meals due to the day.
Sounds like a perfect plan to survive in the wild. Okay, now that we have a small fire going, we can start thinking about making this campfire bigger to stay warm during the night. This method works best if you start with small pieces of wood. You can add a larger log when the fire has grown. Building a campfire is easy. You just need to make sure you're careful with the logs and the kindling. I think we got enough wood to keep this fire burning all night.
Yeah, it's gonna be a cold one. Perfect for camping.
That's how we are going to build our perfect campfire here tonight.
Just need the right amount of wood for it.
Yeah, perfect, thanks. Careful with the corner, that needs to be flush.
Got it. Just a little more to the right?
Yeah, perfect. All right, let's start by gathering some dry kindling and small branches to get the campfire going for the night. Almost done with the campfire for tonight, just need a little more kindling.
Nice. Looking forward to enjoying this with you.
Do you think that will hold?
With these stakes, we can build the cabin. I think that it'll last forever. You know, building a cabin like this really makes you feel like you're connecting with nature in a way you never have before. Are you sure this is the right way to build a cabin?
Absolutely, we watched enough YouTube videos. It's just like in the tutorials. I'm telling you, it's the best thing ever. We should complete the cabin before the winter.
Yeah, it is going to be tough to build in the snow.
I'm glad to see you building it.
This is so cozy. I'm glad we built this cabin.
Yeah, it's a great place to get away from it all.
I agree. It's really nice to be here together.
So I don't know about you guys, but camping like this with the fire and the stars, it's way better than any hotel.
We are on track to completing this log cabin by next week if we continue at this rate. This is the perfect getaway from the city.
Yeah, I'm glad we finally finished building this cabin.
Me too. I've been wanting to spend more time in nature. So as you can see, building a log cabin requires patience and hard work.
But after all this hard
Let's finish this log cabin before it gets too late.
Okay, I'll hand you the next log through the opening.
Thanks.